Welcome to this Hatha Yoga flow. This practice is perfect to do in the morning, before going to bed, or in any time that you want to open your body. Let's begin directly in our tabletop position, hands, knees on the floor. We'll begin with some cat and cows to open up through the spine. Take a deep inhale, open the chest, shoulders back, look gently up. Exhale, push and round the spine. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, round the spine. Good, inhale deep. And exhale, round. Slowly coming to a neutral spine. Take a deep inhale, bring the right arm up. Then grab the back of the head. Elbow goes up. Inhale deep. Exhale, elbow down to the floor. Inhale, open. Exhale, elbow down to the ground. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Good. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Great. Inhale, open. Send the right arm up. And as you exhale, thread the arm in between the left hand and the left knee. Drop the right shoulder, drop the head down, and breathe. Finding a nice twist here. Perfect. Slowly push with your left hand down. Bring the right hand down to the floor. Inhale deep, left arm goes up. Bend the elbow, grab the back of the head, inhale deep. Exhale, elbow down. Inhale deep, open. Exhale, back down. Inhale deep, open. Exhale, down. Inhale deep, open. And exhale, down. On the next inhale, reach the left arm up. And exhale, thread the arm. Drop the head, drop the shoulder. And breathe. Great. Slowly, when you're ready, push onto the floor. Bring both hands down onto the ground. Take a deep inhale, extend your right leg back. And on the exhale, with control, place the right foot outside of the right hand. Take a deep inhalation. Flex the left foot. On the exhale, try to extend both legs. Maybe you're not fully extended, maybe you are. That's up to how much flexible you're feeling today. Slowly bend both knees. Inhale deep. Exhale, try to extend the legs. Inhale deep. Exhale, drop the knees. Good. 2 more. Inhale deep. Exhale. Try to extend the legs. Inhale deep. Exhale. Bend the knees. Last one. Inhale deep. Exhale. Try to extend. We're going to try to hold here. Of course, if you can go a little bit farther forward and down, feel free to do that. Otherwise, stay wherever is good for you. And we breathe. slow and long breaths. Great. And slowly drop down. Take a deep inhalation. As you exhale, lean back. Try to sit on your left heel. Take a deep inhalation, open the chest, and on the exhale, try to go forward. If you can go deeper, great. If you feel you can, instead of sitting on the heel, you can sit on the floor. Make sure your knees feeling comfortable, and we go forward and down. Great. Slowly, with the help of the hands, go all the way back into your lizard pose and start gently moving side to side, opening up through the hip flexor, opening up through the back leg. Send the hands forward a little bit and then walk with your right foot over to the left. You can bring the heel close to the hip to move into your pigeon pose. Of course, if you need some support, place a pillow or a block underneath and slowly try to come forward and down. Deep breaths. If you feel placing the forehead on the floor is not very good for you, feel free to stay on the hands or on the forearms, focusing on the back leg being directly facing down to the floor. You want to feel a little opening onto the right hip. Make sure the knee is not feeling any discomfort. Deep and slow breaths. Perfect. Slowly, with the help of the hands, push onto the floor. Come back to your tabletop position. Now we're going to switch onto the other side. Slowly extend your left leg back. And as you exhale, place the foot outside of your left hand. Take a deep inhalation, back foot flexed. Exhale, try to extend the legs. Inhale deep, exhale, bend the knees. Inhale deep, exhale, extend the legs. Inhale deep, exhale, bend the knees. Inhale deep, exhale, extend. Inhale deep, exhale, bend. Last one, inhale deep, exhale, extend. As much as possible, maybe find a little bit more depth by walking the hands a bit farther forward. And we breathe. Slow and long breaths here. Perfect. Slowly walk the hands back. Bend your knees. Drop the right knee down. Inhale deep, and as you exhale, lean back. Sit onto your right heel. If this feels okay, of course, you can also sit on a block, maybe sit on the floor instead. And we go forward and down into a forward fold. Very nice. Slowly, with the help of the hands, come back, push onto the floor, bend your front knee, come into your lizard. Start pushing your hips forward. Maybe move gently side to side to start finding some opening onto your right hip. Send the hands forward a little bit more and start walking with your left foot over to the right. Then you can help with your right hand, bring the heel closer to the hip, and then slowly start dropping down towards your pigeon pose. You can stay with the hands on the floor, maybe placing the forearms on the floor, maybe placing the forehead on the floor. In any case, make sure your back leg is facing down, the knees facing down to the ground. Slow inhalations, slow and long exhalations, feeling a nice deep stretch into the left hip. Very good. Slowly, with the help of the hands, push onto the ground. Step back into your tabletop position. Move the hips a little bit to release any tension you may have. And when you're ready, sit down onto your heels into your thunderbolt position. We're going to end up with a nice deep back bend, interlacing the fingers behind, rolling the shoulders back, lift the chest up and start moving your pelvis so the hips are facing back, and then start pushing with the hands down, maybe towards the feet first, and then when you're ready, maybe start pushing down towards the floor. You can also interlace the fingers if you don't reach with the hands together in a fist. So then you have some support on the floor. When you reach the floor, push down and lift the chest higher. Also, if you're not able to reach the floor, you can place a couple of blocks right by the feet, so then you can actually reach and push as well to help you lift. Nice. Keep lifting on the inhalations and keep pressing down with the arms on the exhalations. Great. Slowly, when you're ready, come back to the center. Sit down on the floor. Extend the legs forward. Then bend the right knee and place the foot outside of the left leg. You can squeeze the right leg with both arms, or maybe your right hand back, left elbow outside of the right knee to twist, looking over the right shoulder. Deep breaths. Great. Slowly come back to the center. Release the legs, shake the legs. And when you're ready, bend the left knee. Place the foot outside of the right leg. Maybe squeeze, maybe left hand back. Right elbow onto the left leg. And we twist. Slow and long breaths. Great. Slowly look forward. Exhale, release, shake the legs, and when you're ready, come back into your seated position. Spine long, and relax. Thank you so much for sharing your practice today. I hope you enjoyed the session. Remember, write in the comments what you like the most about the session. Also, if you enjoyed it, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. That really helps me keep growing here on YouTube to make more classes for you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Namaste.